We are celebrating Iowa Public Television's 50th anniversary of going on the air. I'm Charity Nebbe, and we are going to celebrate by preparing a recipe from around 1969, the year IPTV first started broadcasting.
Right.
And with me is Teresa Knight. She's one of the producers of Iowa Ingredient. And where did you get this recipe?
This recipe came to me from one of my aunts. It was in a cookbook she used a lot at the time, and written next to it was, remember how many potlucks we took this to.
Perfect.
So this is
what is it?
24-hour salad.
24-hour salad. I see so many greens here.
Right.
Well, okay. This is a salad 1969 style.
Exactly. So we are going to start by making a dressing.
Okay.
1 cup of pineapple juice, and you can either use, you can buy pineapple juice, or I found when you drain the pineapple, you get 1 cup of pineapple juice.
Canned pineapple.
Yes.
So,
we're going to use that in just a minute. So we start with a cup of pineapple juice. To that we add 2 tablespoons of flour.
All right.
1 tablespoon of vinegar. 2 tablespoons of sugar.
All right.
And 1 egg.
1 egg.
Yes,
all right. And this is a low and slow
for that egg, yeah. So you just kind of you want to make sure you use a whisk and get it all incorporated. You could use a double boiler. I think that takes too long. I think we can, not do that. So we just keep stirring. You want all the lumps out, and then it will kind of start to come together and thicken.
All right.
So we'll just wait for that to happen. So that's really starting to get thick.
It looks a little puddingy.
A little bit puddingy, custardy.
Yep. All right.
So we can take that off the heat.
All right.
And we need to let this cool
before
we put it in the salad. So I have one that's already cool. I have a cup of heavy cream that I've whipped up, and we'll fold those 2 together. Okay, so once you get those kind of gently incorporated, we are going to add cherries.
Canned cherries.
Canned cherries. The recipe called for Royal Anne cherries. Those are hard to find these days. I think you could use either sweet or tart cherries that are canned. Don't use cherry pie filling. And a medium-sized can of pineapple that's drained. And the recipe called for nuts.
So walnuts here?
I did a cup of toasted walnuts. I like them toasted.
Oh, you toasted them. You're very fancy.
Toast them, yes. And then we have marshmallows. And in 1969, mini marshmallows were not available. So these have been quartered.
You cut all these marshmallows up.
These marshmallows in quarters for maximum authenticity. So then we just,
mix
get
it
this
up
all together. Yeah.
All right, and it's called 24-hour salad. Or is this supposed to sit for 24 hours?
Yes, you make this ahead, and it's, you can eat it anytime, but it's best, the marshmallows kind of get soft, and it kind of all gels together overnight, so make this the day before, and then...
All right, but I'm not waiting till tomorrow to taste it. No, I'm tasting it today.
Fair enough. Make sure we get a little fruit in our bites.
I realize this was from the 60s. But to me, this tastes just like the 70s, right?
Me too.
My grandma made something just like this.
Yeah.
Oh, T, this is so much fun.
Thank you.
As we continue to celebrate our anniversary, you can find this recipe and others from 50 years ago, along with how-to videos on our website.